Hello, beautiful friends watching the YouTubes. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm real glad to have you here. I'm Carrie Blaze. This is my good time train, and it's pulling out of the station. Right off the bat, this is a special video collaboration with Ree Rees Mukbang. She's a dear friend. I adore her. She's beautiful and hilarious and awesome. We're gal pals. We text, we chit chat. She's just a really wonderful person. So if you don't already know who she is, you should go check her out because she is a fabulous time. And I found this sloppy Joe casserole recipe, and she said that she would love to do it, so that's what we're eating today. And of course I have a salad on the side. This is fresh spinach with blue cheese crumbles and red onion and some apple with a little vinaigrette. Fran is already very eager to be sniffing around the sacred red tray. Here, just a little bit of this beef so you can have. It has the seasonings on it. Is it delicious? Oh, Fran. Okay, you can come back and say hello later. For now, let's get into this. So there was an option whether or not to top it with like chopped up diced dill pickle. And of course, I love everything pickled, so I put it on there. And it looks great. Let's put it in the face hole. Oh my God. Okay, that's delicious. I think my noodle to sauce ratio came out a little wonky. Like, I think I have too much noodles or too many noodles, but that's okay. It is still delicious. And it's not like you just, open a can of manwich and dump it in the casserole dish with the noodles. It's a really good recipe. You make the sauce from scratch. Tomato sauce and brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, red wine vinegar. This is good. Oh, and you add beef stock too. And cheese, and there's diced up bell pepper. Oops. Yum. And I'm really hungry. That fresh spinach. Hope you enjoyed the little intro before the intro. My wood stove was installed yesterday. It's beautiful and amazing. I love it. So much better than that. Whatever that fake, cheesy 80s propane sucking, no heat giving, whatever the hell that fake fireplace thing was. I hated it. I live in Maine. I want to burn wood. And I bought a grill today. I have to put it together, but it's a small propane one. Nothing like huge or too fancy. Don't need all the bells and whistles. Of course, the classic Arnold Palmer in the butterbeer mug. Oh. So these guys who installed my wood stove, they're great. It's a family business. And they're adorable. My God, they're so cute. They're probably in their mid-30s. And of course, they had to go on the roof and deal with the chimney to put the lighter down through the chimney to attach to the back of the wood stove. And I'm like, low-key in the back of my mind going, oh God, they're going to find something up there. I hope there's no damage or whatever. Because what do I know about chimneys? I hadn't been up there since I bought my house. It's not the end of the world, but they did find a little damage at the top of the chimney, like just at the top, like the bricks are moving around a little bit. So they're going to fix that and put a cap on it and seal the whole chimney. I have to spend like another $1,000, but money comes and goes. Peace of mind is priceless. I think I'm going to switch to a spoon with this stuff because it might be easier to eat. Oh, yes. Get more in the face hole. Delicious. Highly recommend. I'll put the recipe link in the description box below. But other than that, chimney's great. Another thing that's happening is spring is approaching. Right now in New England, I think we're in our false spring or our fake spring. It's almost 60 degrees today. The snow is melting. The roof is like dripping water. There's mud everywhere. But next week, it'll drop down to freezing temperatures again, or in the next couple weeks. Which I'm fine because I'm trying to milk the skiing season. But I'm also really excited for ice out on the lake and to get my dock back in the water and to have my first full summer here on the lake. I got a boat lined up. I have to get a motor for it. Super pumped. One thing I'm not pumped about is I dropped my taxes stuff off to my new accountant today. I hate this shit. It gives me the stress and the anxiety, and I hate it. I don't get it. I don't like it. And I couldn't for the life of me find a copy of the 2019 tax returns. Because my accountant in LA would send me a hard copy, like, folder. I just keep a file of it. I know I'm such a dipshit. I should have, like, a, I don't know, private file of it on my computer or whatever. But anyway, they're going to have to email that to me so I can give it to my new accountant. I just gathered everything I possibly thought I needed. And of course, a couple of W-2s never made it to me because of the address change. I'm like, how does one recover a lost W-2? Not that it matters because it's a pittance. Like, I'm not really, it's not an urgent tax thing. Trying to cross things off the list. Get shit done. Don't have to think about it anymore because I hate adulting. It's the worst. But I am excited for spring. I'm excited to get back on that lake. Catch some bass. Some pickerel. Maybe a trout or two. I did go skiing on Monday. Didn't really vlog much. I did get a little snippet of my ride on the chairlift, though. So here's a little bit of that. As you can see, it was a beautiful day. It's a great little mountain in New Hampshire near the border of Maine. It's only like 45 minutes away from my house. And the day rates during the week are really cheap. And it's a great place to go for, a day trip or even, half a day. Just go ski for a couple hours. Work on your fundamentals. I've been working on carving my turns, and I'm getting better every time I do it. So I'm probably going to go 1 or 2 more times spring skiing. And then I think that's all the time I'll have this season to do it. Excuse me. I'm just really happy that the generator and my stove are in. There are other things on the list. I think I need a new water heater. You know, the joys of home ownership. It never ends. But I'm where I want to be, so I'm okay with it. Big bite. Huh? That is good stuff. And now I know how to make like sloppy Joe sauce from scratch. The sandwich stuff has I don't know. It tastes a little weird to me. What else were we going to chat about? Oh. Oops. Fran, are you sniffing for a yard sale? I don't think I dropped any foods down there. Come here.
Oh, Miss Face. Oh, Miss Face of Stink. You're smelly, but I kind of enjoy it.
I don't think so, Fran. Fran's getting a tooth yanked next week. Poor old Doogie. I know, I've been putting that one off for like a couple months, though. You need to have it done. It doesn't seem to be bothering you, though. No, she doesn't seem to be in any pain from it or anything, but the vet said it needs to be pulled, so we pull it. It's okay. It's what happens to old doggy sometimes. Sweet girl. This may be a rare occasion where I finish everything on the sacred red tray. Never happens. Oh, excuse me. There's going to be a muddy season because all this ice and snow is going to melt. That's a lot. I don't think the earth can take it all in at once, so it's going to be muddy. It's already a mess. One of the roads that I go down to, get out of the lake community to go to the main road, it's already kind of a mud pit. So I go the extra 2 minutes around a different road so I don't have to deal with it. Somebody's building a house, and there's just a lot of big trucks and activity, and they're all dirt roads around the lake community. And they maintain them really well, but I don't know. There's just too much activity in that one spot, and it's making a huge mud pit, and people have to drive through it. Huh? Getting the last bites, y'all. Yeah. Ugh. I might actually have some more of this shizzle after I'm done shooting this. Oh. Pickled down. Oh. I don't know, pickles kind of make it for me. Again, totally optional. And what else can I say about Ree? Other than that she's awesome. She's a good lady face. She's one of the gals. Okay, now that I'm really getting down to last bites, I don't know if I'm gonna have seconds. Oh, I'm full. So full. But I'm gonna do it. On your market set, let's go now. No. I'm gonna make my dreams come true. Doing it my way. Make all our dreams come true for me and you. A little whack job song in there at the end. Little Laverne and Shirley's theme. Squiggy was my favorite on that show. You guys, I did it! I finished everything on the Sacred Red tray. Golf claps. Golf claps. Alright, y'all, we're gonna call this a video. Once again, thanks so much, Ree, for doing this with me today. I love you. You're the best. And thanks to everyone else who joined us today. And we hope that you are doing awesome no matter where you are. And until next time, you know what to do. You keep snatching up those dreams in 2021. Much love to you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, be kind, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.